Are you tired of feeling like your money disappears as soon as you earn it? Imagine living a life where you're in full control of your finances, enjoying what truly matters without constantly worrying about bills or debt. That's the power of frugal living, and today, I'm going to show you how to make it a reality in your own life. In this video, we're diving deep into what frugal living really means and, more importantly, how you can start implementing it in your daily routine right now. Whether you want to save more, spend smarter, or just live a simpler, more intentional life, this is the guide you've been waiting for. But before we jump in, if you're passionate about financial freedom and living a life on your terms, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss a tip. And if you find value in this video, don't forget to like and share it with your friends who could use a little financial peace of mind, too. What is frugal living and how to implement it in your daily life? Frugal living is often misunderstood as being stingy or excessively cheap, but in reality, it's about being mindful with your resources, especially money, and using them in a way that aligns with your values and goals. It's about making thoughtful choices that allow you to live a fulfilling life without unnecessary excess. Understanding frugal living at its core, frugal living is about maximizing value. This means getting the most out of what you have without depriving yourself of what you need or truly value. It's not about cutting corners to the point of discomfort. It's about identifying and eliminating wasteful habits and unnecessary expenditures that don't add to your quality of life. Frugality allows you to redirect your resources toward what truly matters to you, whether that's financial freedom, early retirement, travel, education, or simply living without the stress of debt. It's a mindset that encourages conscious spending, saving, and investing in your future. Implementing frugal living in your daily life. 1. Assess your spending habits. Start by taking a hard look at where your money is going. Track your expenses for a month or two to get a clear picture. You might be surprised by how much you spend on things that don't bring real value to your life. Once you know where your money is going, you can start to make informed decisions about where to cut back.
2. Prioritize your needs over wants. Understanding the difference between needs and wants is crucial. Needs are essentials like housing, food, and health care, while wants are non-essential items or services that you can live without. By focusing on your needs and carefully considering your wants, you can avoid impulse purchases and unnecessary spending. 3. Adopt a minimalist mindset. Frugal living often goes hand in hand with minimalism. This doesn't mean you need to live with the bare minimum, but rather that you should focus on owning items that serve a purpose and bring you joy. Decluttering your space and your life can lead to fewer purchases and a greater appreciation for what you already have. For cook at home, one of the easiest ways to save money is by cooking at home. Eating out or ordering takeout can quickly drain your budget. Cooking at home not only saves money but also allows you to make healthier choices. Plan your meals, buy groceries in bulk when possible, and learn to love leftovers. This simple change can have a significant impact on your finances. 5. Embrace DIY. From home repairs to personal care, doing things yourself can save a lot of money. You don't need to become an expert in everything, but learning basic skills can reduce the need to pay for services. Whether it's fixing a leaky faucet, making your own cleaning products, or cutting your own hair, DIY can be a rewarding and cost-effective approach. 6. Use resources wisely. Being frugal also means being mindful of how you use resources like electricity, water, and gas. Small changes like turning off lights when you leave a room, fixing leaky faucets, and using energy-efficient appliances can reduce utility bills. Additionally, consider carpooling, using public transportation, or biking to save on fuel costs. 7. Shop smart. When you do need to make a purchase, be a savvy shopper. Look for sales, use coupons, and buy in bulk when it makes sense. Consider buying second-hand items or waiting for major sales events like Black Friday. The key is to avoid paying full price whenever possible. 8. Plan for the future. Frugal living isn't just about saving money in the short term, it's also about planning for the future. This means setting financial goals, building an emergency fund, and investing in your retirement. By living frugally today, you can create a more secure and stable financial future for yourself. 9. Limit debt. High-interest debt can quickly erode any savings you manage to accumulate. If you have existing debt, prioritize paying it off as soon as possible. Avoid taking on new debt unless absolutely necessary, and always try to live within your means. 10. Find joy in simple pleasures. Lastly, frugal living is about finding contentment in simplicity. It's about enjoying life's little pleasures like a walk in the park, a home-cooked meal, or a good book. By focusing on what truly makes you happy, you'll find that you don't need to spend a lot to live a rich and fulfilling life. So the conclusion is, frugal living is a lifestyle choice that prioritizes financial responsibility, mindfulness, and simplicity. It's about making intentional decisions that lead to greater financial freedom and personal satisfaction. By implementing frugal habits in your daily life, you can reduce stress, save money, and focus on what truly matters to you. It's not about deprivation, but about living smarter, making the most of what you have, and enjoying the journey toward financial well-being.